Maureen from Joy & Cards, and today we're doing the paper pumpkin alternatives. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what's in the box. I kind of already opened it, so you know. You got your instructions, you got some little embellishments, your dimensional, some little dots. The color is just black, and it's this sunshine, and it's kind of really cool because I did look at it. You've got all these, and they're not cutouts, they're stickers. So that's cool. And then you got all your sentiment things, and look at the envelopes. They're really neat. I like that water kind of color and the black and white. There's some more of those stickers. And then the envelopes are really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and make what they've got for their cards, which is right here, and I'll be right back. So here are the cards they came up with. So this, I really like how they made these embellishments stickers instead of the ones you have to glue on. So here's one, here's another one, here's another one. These are actually really kind of cute. I really like them. And then they had you, with the sticker version, do the box. So I wasn't going to do the box, and I thought, you know, it's kind of cute for the box. So so these are their cards, and now I'm going to come up with my alternatives. I made 10 alternatives. This is the first one, and the only thing I used different from the kit is I used the red ribbon, and this is just real red ribbon, and then I used the stitched shapes and made this one. I thought this one was okay. So that's number one. Here's my other alternative, and what I did different with this is I used Timeless Tropical, and I stamped and I die cutted from that set, and I also used stitch shapes as well, and I used the DS paper, the Artistry Blooms DS paper, and that's how I did this one. I also sponged, this is shimmer white paper, and I sponged it in Flirty Flamingo, Daffodil Delight, and Mango Melody. So that's how I did number two. Here's my third card, and what I did is I stamped the sun stamp on the Whisper White, and the only thing different, of course, I used the Mango Melody to stamp that, and I used Aloha from In the Tropics die set. So this is number three. Here's my fourth card, and what I did is I actually made this a fun fold like that. So I just split the pineapple in half, and this is at, I believe, a 2 1/4 and 2 1/4, and I just made sure the middle was 4 1/4, and just split that pineapple and opened it up, and I went ahead and stamped the flowers with Timeless Tropical in the background. I used a stamp from So Sentimental. Of course, I used gold foil on the inside and then also on the trim on the outside. And Timeless, or Artistry Blooms, is the DS paper. So this is card number 4. Card number 5 is I used the paper pumpkin card base, the black with the white dot little sticker thing, and the stamp, and the white with the gold edged label, and I went and used the large and the medium daisy punch, and then the centers I used from Cherry Blossom. I used this one right here. I used this one right there, and that's it. So that is card number 5. Card number 6, I took this cool card base that they had, and I took my 1.5 inch punch and punched out the center of the sun that came with the kit, and I just put it on top here. I used gold foil around the label here. I also stamped Sunshine and Daffodil Delight and Flirty Flamingo on top of each other because that kind of gave that look of the sun. I also took the gold foil and did the outline of the flower in this, and that's how I did the gold. And then I took a piece of Whisper White, and I took the Daffodil Delight and the Flirty Flamingo and just sponged this, just sponged the white paper, and then I cut it out in this die to make that outline, and that is card number 6. Cards number 7, I actually really liked. I just went ahead and took a white base and layered it in black and then white again. Used their black and white polka dotted piece that came with the kit. And then I did these oval circles with layered oval dies, and then put the lemon in there and put it up on dimensionals. And this was really easy, and this was card number 7. I think it's really cute. Card number 8, what I did is I took the 3D embossing folder, Subdual, I guess, and then I took the branch from Birds and More and just did it all in white. This is also in a background of gold foil, and I did cut in a big triangle in the middle so I didn't waste my gold foil, because no one will know. So I die cut the branch also in white, and then I just put the lemons in there and dimensioned them up and the thing. But that is card number 8. Card number 9. Now I got the Playful Alphabet Set, which is new in the catalog, for this very reason. And it's because you can put whatever sentiment you want on something. And these little tie-dyed looking cards just screamed me, you know, tie-dye. So I put peace, love, and sunshine. I just stamped sunshine over the sunshine there. And then the circle I cut from layering circles. And this one was super easy. These alphabets are really easy to cut. There's no like cursive or what the heck is that, you know, letter. And it's very, very nice, clear cuts. They also had the and symbol. They have exclamation points and question marks. This is an awesome set to get, so I totally recommend this one. So this is card number 9. And my final card, card number 10, was actually pretty easy. I took a black card base, layered in gold and then black, and then I took my buffalo check stamp. Now if you're going to use the buffalo check stamp, it's a huge stamp. I would really recommend using your Stamparatus with this one. And what you need to do is just take your Whisper White paper, put it lined up on the Stamparatus, then put the clean stamp on top of it, close the lid so it comes up so you have it centered right. And then you're going to have to stamp it a few times. I mean, maybe 5 or 6 times to get this density of red on here. So I did that, and then just loaded up the lemons and the sun and put the hello up there, and that's it. So these are all my paper pumpkin alternatives, and please subscribe to my channel. I do this every month for all my paper pumpkins. So you can check out, if you have a subscription, great. If you want one, go to my website or go to my noreenbrungart.stampinup.net and just go to the left for paper pumpkin and get a subscription. If you just want one, I believe you can do that as well. If you're having a little trouble signing up for it, then just shoot me an email. My email's on there. I also have a joyacards.com website where you can see all my videos, because I do at least 2 a week, and we'll get it done. So anyway, that's it. Thanks. Bye.